here in India because we've been talking and hearing so much about the blueberry muffins and the blueberry croissants. There's so many pastries, blueberry pastries, and so many other lovely delicacies that blueberry has to offer. And somewhere this was available only in particular restaurants or particular hotels. So it was very rare delicacy, I would say, a rare fruit. But now it's available in India. So I'm very excited, I'm very happy. And then we'll have a lot of desserts and a lot of baking cakes and a lot of other products that's going to come up with blueberry. So I'm really excited and I love the flavor.
In terms of fruits, which is the fruit that you prefer? You make it a point for fitness or health that you include one fruit in your diet, and which is that?
That's a banana actually. And yes, for working out and everything, that's one of my favorite fruits. But I somehow like the guavas as well. And of course the watermelon and the papaya, and now of course the blueberry. Also like some other berries, but blueberry is one of my favorites. I also like raspberry. So in compared to the berries, I think blueberry and raspberry are my favorites. Thank you.
खाने की चीज़ों का ग्लोबलाइजेशन हो रहा है
जी।
हाउ डू सी दिस
ये हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं उगते थे ये, अभी यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट किया जा रहा है, तो हमारे लिए इट इज़ लाइक वी आर एक्सपैंडिंग आवर रीच, वी आर गेटिंग मोर थिंग्स हियर। जैसे पहले ब्रांड्स नहीं हुआ करते थे इंडिया में, तो अब ब्रांड्स आने लग गए हैं, अब ब्लूबेरीज भी आने लगे हैं। तो ऑफ कोर्स द लॉट ऑफ फ्रूट्स विच गेट इम्पोर्टेड, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हम एज इंडिया, आई थिंक आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं हम भी इन सबको उगाना स्टार्ट कर लेंगे। आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स फॉर अस farming is a very important aspect of our country, and we have to definitely respect it and look towards it. And I'm sure that we will have that particular region and area where we can grow blueberries, because it's such a diverse country. We have all kinds of region right now. I think some very good international wines are getting harvested in Maharashtra, I would say, not even anywhere far. But I think Fratelli is one of the very good brands that's come up. They have international standards and they've won international awards for their wines. Similarly, blueberry, I think it won't be very far away where blueberry will start getting harvested in India.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great for anti-aging, brain function, and fighting childhood obesity or obesity overall. So, real blueberries are excellent choice of magnesium and vitamin C.
Project that brings all of you all together.
Yeah, we started this project 3-4 years back, and we started lots of promotion in India about the fresh blueberries and frozen, and we're already promoting to the few ice cream company and the supermarket, and now we are here to promote in the cocktail and mocktails.
We believe that blueberries is going to be an important factor in helping healthy lifestyles in India. Currently, it's about 1 million pounds of blueberries are coming in from the U.S. alone, and we believe by next year will be over 2 million pounds of blueberries. If you just look at all the various stores, Food Basket, Starbucks, many different products being made with blueberries, because everybody knows the function and the power of those little dynamos.
Rajiv, what is the evening all about?
Of course, I know Dawn and I know Dinesh very, very well. So what the whole idea for me is that they have such a great, fantastic product, which is blueberry. It's good for health, but I thought that promotion is also very, very important. So I just thought maybe fashion and film and Bollywood will be a great way to promote blueberries, because it's easier, it's faster for people to understand, and that's a whole blend today. So we have loads of actors, models, all set to promote blueberries from USA. And of course, Dinesh's brand, Anusia brand, and we are very, very excited. All my friends are still waiting to give bites and take pictures and go live.
Dawn, anything see next coming down to India?
Well, that is correct what Rajiv was saying, is that this is for the first time that we've taken Bollywood and the food world and fused them together to create this magnificent event tonight. And you know what? this is what it's about: living a healthy lifestyle, a fun lifestyle, and that's what we believe fresh blueberries are all about.
Thank you.
I love kiwi, I love strawberries, I love. There's so many papaya and apple and every day. And now recently, oranges, Malta, grapes. There are dragon fruit. There are so many fruits. I'm completely fruit eater. I love fruits, and it's awesome to have one meal in a day of a fruit, and it keeps you healthy, fit, glowing, fresh, always right in the shape. So I will recommend everyone to have fruits. And I just heard that blueberry is coming to India, so that's the best thing because I am a fitness freak. मैं आप लोग सब लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी, स्ट्रॉबेरी, ब्लूबेरी, मलबेरी, all these berries are zero fat, no calorie food. अगर आप इनका कंजम्पशन करते हैं, and if you have milkshakes or post workout meal of berries, then your life is sorted. It has got many vitamins, many plus things, negative energy, negative fat, and positive for health. So इससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती है. I am very happy, glad, wish them all the best and all the best for this blueberry.
Thank you.
Thank you.